I have created all these subroutines, and these subroutines I call in the main routine. And I now start the main routine, which calls all the routines. Now the robot goes to pick a tray, and in the second routine, the robot goes to place the tray. Now robot is going to pick the part. It takes also offset, and now place the part in the front left. The robot picks the parts for the four times for four different positions. After completing for the four parts, robot will stop. Now robot is stopped and all the tasks are completed.